Okay, so this is what happened when you guys, when I start working with you guys. And one thing I will say, you can use as a testimonial. Um, you guys did amazing. Like this is actually amazing. Everything completely turned around. Can you see my screen?
I can.
Okay. So yesterday, this was the results. It was $1,000 in sales.
Okay. Yeah. And then, yeah, that's awesome. I mean, like, yeah, it looks incredible. Great progress so far. All right.
God,
So, yeah, I mean, like everything looks good here. TikTok, it looks like it's bringing in the most. So that's amazing. And duplicating, why would you want to duplicate?
so I was thinking to duplicate the ones for the US because I'm noticing that I'm getting a lot of US orders. And they're
Oh,
actually,
for the countries.
yeah, so I'm thinking about duplicate, like if not duplicating them, but like increasing the budget.
Yeah, I wouldn't duplicate them. I would just like increase budget for sure.
Okay. And what do you think about these Canadian ads? The ones up top, the top four.
Doesn't look like it's performing as well as the States yet. Or what is this, 2 countries or is just one?
So the ones at the bottom four are US only.
Okay, then yeah, I mean, it looks like Canada's not producing as much as US right now. You can definitely give it time to see, but I mean, like, I would double down on what's working right now.
Okay.
I
So
mean,
what do
like,
you
if you put, let's say you put this 20, all these, like, if you put this $80 over here, you're producing automatically. I mean, just based off these numbers, that's going to be, I could do the quick math since you already have it here. I mean, that's an extra $440 a day just by moving that $80 over here.
So you think I should turn the Canada ads off? Or
You could give it another, let's see where it's at. Let's do today. All right. And then yesterday. You can give it another day or two just to see, because I mean, like they can always end up performing really well.
Mhm.
But you can scale these. I mean, dude, just yesterday, like 9x, 7x, 5.8x, 6.9x. That's awesome.
Yeah, bro, I can't lie to you. God is good. That's the highest I've ever gotten. Like as far as like orders, that's crazy. So
Yeah. So that's good. And then, so like one thing to keep aware of, like right now, everything's great, right? But what could happen is your actual, creatives fatigue over time.
mhm.
So you just have to be prepared to refresh them every few days or every week once you're scaling.
Okay, so
Um,
sorry, I'm trying to listen.
yeah. So when you're scaling, you're going to be refreshing creatives on a weekly basis.
Okay.
But I mean, like right now, everything's going great. So definitely just focus on increasing spend
Mhm.
and then letting it run and then paying attention to the analytics. Everything's growing right here. But once you hit a point of diminished return, like just keep a constant flow of new creatives coming in. I would even like start creating more content now just so that way you have it ready.
Okay, so currently I have okay, so I'm going to try and move things over like with the mouse if that's okay. Cool. Okay, cool. So basically I have a let me see. I have a plethora of ads actually. So I have currently I think I have about maybe 10 to 12 different ad creatives, right? Do you think I should because right now in these four ad groups, there are only four, I mean in these four ad groups, there are only four different ads in them, but I have 12, I believe. So do you think I should try and create a similar campaign with the other ads
You could do.
and see if anything converts?
Yeah, exactly.
So how would that work?
You just put those new ads in the Canada audience. If it starts to get sales, great. You could add it into the US.
Hmm, I get what you're saying. It's kind of crazy because these Canada ads are the same ads that are performing well in the US. So maybe it is just time.
Yeah, exactly. And then like right here, you're at 30 on each. I mean, you could bump to 40 on each now,
Okay.
let it run. So that's good. When was the last time you scaled?
Um, Monday. We had that conversation and you said go from 20 to 30. So I moved from 20 to 30. I
Yeah,
was
and
busy
yesterday was great.
I was busy all yesterday trying to fulfill it.
Okay. Well,
Yeah, bro.
well, if you're, yeah, I mean, like you don't want to overdo it. So, if this is like a good maintenance period, then yeah, just like I'd focus on the US for now and let it grow and then increase spend again if you can continue scaling, and that's it.
Okay. Also, you see the drop off between the reach checkouts and the sessions converted. Uh,
Yes. Yeah.
okay.
So you
So
have a really high add to cart rate, which is good. Let's go to your website and just hit add to cart and we can just,
okay.
go through the process to see.
Okay. So
I
I'm
wouldn't
gonna show
worry
you.
too much about conversion rate though, because you have a 3% nearly. So that's fine.
Yeah, that's the thing. It's been dropping though. So
Okay.
initially, like on Monday when I talked to you, it was at 4%. Then yesterday it was at 3%. It was 3.9 or something, whatever it is. And then now it's at 2.8.
Okay.
So
I wouldn't worry too much though at the same time because you're getting way more volume. So as you scale up, even if you go down to like a 1.5%, I mean, if you're pushing like 5, 6K days, you're good.
okay, so I don't think I can even add 1 second. Let me see. So, like I said, the business is optimized. Well, this page is optimized for mobile, so we might not be able to see exactly what they're seeing, but I can try and show you the best I can. So, what do you want me to do?
Just go to product page
Okay,
and hit add to cart.
and yeah. So, one thing that was changed, right, was so there was a drop off as far as the conversion rate. I had I had an automatic discount, right? I had an automatic discount code that took off 10%. I took away that automatic discount code and I gave them, the ability to enter in their own discount code because I have some that are like you get a free bottle, like you get a free blender bottle, or you also can get like 20% off. I, I took away the automatic discount also because I received, well, one person called me and said they couldn't enter in their discount. And once I removed it, they purchased. And then I got another person who hit me up with an email saying that they couldn't put in the proper discount that they wanted, but they still purchased.
Gotcha. Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't worry too much about that though.
Okay.
Um, Honestly, you might just have to do some retargeting once you're scaling up. That's all it is.
Some
And then
retargeting.
send out emails for add to cart recovery.
Okay, let me just write that down. I've never done retargeting ads, so
I would say it would be worth launching in like about a week.
okay, and figure out retargeting, and then you said capture. I think I already captured emails, so send out emails. You're saying
Yeah, send out a retargeting email to people who have added to cart but haven't purchased.
send out retargeting emails.
Yeah, it's just your remarketing to them to get them to, it's just a remarketing email campaign to add to cart recovery, email sequence, those types of things.
Okay, I'll find somebody to work with for that because I have no clue how to do that one. Okay, um, okay, so there are a couple more questions, right? Um, do you know any good and affordable U.S. fulfillment centers?
I do not. Somebody in the chat might.
Okay, so how do I do that?
You, anybody in the chat can just send a message in there if they want. But you can connect with people in the Facebook group as well.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, sounds good. And then, do you know any good apps for increasing the order value?
Right now, how many products? I mean, do you just have one product you're selling?
Okay, so I do have a couple different products. Like I have, well, I'm trying to work on introducing a few new products, but I do have one product that I can upsell.
Okay, and that is
It's a water bottle.
all right. Then I mean, like, you could offer it as an upsell in the checkout process.
So add it to the checkout process. Okay. Um, And same with the previous student. He said that he was like having some issues with fulfillment and that he was thinking about like he was close to selling out. Do you think I should also add a pre-order button?
Yeah, you certainly can.
And do you think there's anything else I'm missing?
No, I think you're in a really good position to just scale up and get a lot more orders.
Okay. Okay, sounds good.
Awesome. Well, great.
Then these ads are okay, yeah?
Yes, absolutely.
So increasing to 40. Okay. Sounds good. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Take it easy.
Have a great day. God
You
bless.
as well. Hey, if you made it to the end of this video, then I know you're an ambitious learner and you're looking for more. So go ahead and click this video here. I hand selected it for you.